about mesquite. Ain't nothing but money around there.
So yeah, Grind Gang, what it do? Shout out to the Grind Gang. If you became part of the Grind Gang, shout out to you. If you have not become part of the Grind Gang, all you gotta do is subscribe down below. And you can become part of the Grind Gang too. And I'm pretty sure you probably already getting money, but we can all get money together. That's what the Grind Gang is all about, getting money together. Elevating, motivating each other, inspiring each other, standing together, teaching each other, learning together, so that we can make more money. You feel me? So, shout out to the Grind Gang. And like I said, you're not part of the Grind Gang, it's easy. Subscribe now, and you can become part of the Grind Gang. Word. Right now I'm at Speedway, my preferred place to get gas. Man, I'm a baller at Speedway. I got so many Speedway points. Feel me? Balling out of control with Speedway points. 40, 50,000, something crazy. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, but anyway, I'm at Speedway. This is where I prefer to come. I get a lot of bonuses because I gas up a lot here. But normally I'm using my truck, so I'm getting a bigger and better deal. Now I'm gassing up. What we want to see is the tank is not quite empty. Probably got about 60 miles, 70 miles until the tank is empty. So I'm gonna fill up anyway. We're gonna see how much this gonna cost. Come on, let's do it. Let's see. Speedy rewards card, yes. Alternate ID. I could swipe it from my phone. Those of y'all who go here know that already, but you can also just put a number that you make up to put in, a passcode, or put your phone number or whatever you choose to use. And it'll pull up your information for you. So yeah, Grind Gang. Let's see what it do. Let's see what it costs to fill up this Toyota Camry. See, I got my skid bag right in the back seat, fit comfortable. You know. And this is one thing I like about delivering. You don't really have to have nobody in your car, so you really don't need a super sized vehicle. And you can save a lot of money by what my plan is I actually plan to buy 1 or 2 cars strictly just to deliver in. And you could find a car, good running, for like maybe $1,000 or something like that. And I know everybody talking about how new your car gotta be and all this. Look, you can register lots of cars. You just have to find out what the rules are, and you can still find a car that's gas efficient and run it to the ground, but get your money out of it, you feel me? So, or cost efficient, I should say. And run it to the ground and buy another one. You're gonna make money enough to buy. If you purchase a car for $1,500, $2,000, and you drive it, you make $1,000 a week, and you drive it $32.54, everybody. So it'll probably been about $40 to fill the tank up today. This is at what the gas here today is, but it's $2.79 a gallon. So it's a bit for us here. It's a bit expensive right now, and that's another reason that I choose not to be doing deliveries in my SUV, because even though my SUV is good on gas, it's still not, obviously it's gonna be as good as this Camry, so I'm not gonna be as profitable. And you have to make sure your insurance covers delivering in those vehicles. If you want more information about that, I could try to make a video later, but look up places that allow you to use cars for work. And there are a lot of rental places that'll rent you certain cars that under certain contracts and certain agreements that you can use to do your job. So, you know, and in those cases, just a different type of insurance is usually required. So, you know, look at that and look at that as possibly being an option. For me, I'm only doing it to experiment these different ways and different cars, and I've already made a decision that I'm going to purchase one, maybe two vehicles, and strictly just deliver and drive the shit out of them until the wheels fall off. You know what I'm saying? So that's my goal. You know, I don't think I want to continue to drive my SUV for deliveries. Now, we'll talk about that in another video. But anyway, I saw what it was. Filled up. Today is Wednesday. Wait, is my credit card shit on there? Oh no. So anyway, $32.54. That's what I spent. Roll 100. I'll be back at you. I just got an order, so we're gonna see what it's about. Peace.